Let's start with the question, what is a prenuptial agreement? A prenuptial agreement, commonly referred to as a prenup, is a legally binding contract created by two individuals before they marry. This agreement outlines the division of assets, financial responsibilities, and various other considerations in the event of a divorce or separation. While often perceived as a tool for protecting wealth, prenups can cover a wide array of issues, including property rights, debts, inheritance, spousal support, and even stipulations about future children's education and upbringing. Prenuptial agreements are not just for the wealthy. They are valuable for anyone who wants to set clear expectations and legal safeguards for their marriage. This contractual agreement helps manage financial matters during the marriage and in the event of its dissolution, aiming to reduce potential conflicts and litigation. Why should a couple consider a prenup? The decision to draft a prenup depends on the couple's individual circumstances, priorities, and future plans. Here are several reasons why a couple might consider a prenup. Financial transparency. A prenup encourages open discussions about finances, fostering transparency and trust between partners. This conversation can help both parties understand each other's financial habits, debts, and assets, laying a solid foundation for financial harmony in marriage. Protection of assets. For individuals with significant assets, family businesses or inheritances, a prenup can safeguard these assets from being divided in a divorce. This is especially important if one partner brings considerably more wealth into the marriage or expects a substantial inheritance in the future. Debt protection. A prenup can protect one partner from the other's debts. If one partner has significant student loans, credit card debts, or other liabilities, a prenup can prevent these debts from becoming a shared burden in the event of a divorce. Clarity and peace of mind. Having a prenup provides clarity and peace of mind, reducing potential conflicts and legal battles in the event of a divorce. It sets clear expectations and terms, which can make the separation process smoother and less contentious. Business interests. If one or both partners own a business, a prenup can delineate how business assets will be treated. This can prevent the business from being disrupted or divided during a divorce. Second marriages. For those entering second marriages, especially with children from previous relationships, a prenup can ensure that their assets are distributed according to their wishes. It can also help manage obligations to children from previous marriages. Career sacrifices. If one partner plans to make career sacrifices to support the family, such as staying home to raise children, a prenup can ensure that this contribution is recognized and compensated in the event of a divorce. But how do we bring up the conversation about a prenuptial? Discussing a prenup can be sensitive and challenging. But here we will discuss some strategies for approaching the subject. Choose the right time. Find a relaxed and private setting to discuss the topic without distractions or pressure. Avoid bringing it up during stressful times or in public places. Frame it positively. Emphasize that a prenup is a way to protect both partners and ensure a fair agreement, not a sign of distrust. Explain that it's about planning for the future and protecting each other's interests. Be honest and open. Share your reasons for wanting a prenup and listen to your partner's concerns and opinions. Ensure that both partners understand that the goal is to create a mutually beneficial agreement. Consult a professional together. Suggest meeting with a legal advisor or financial planner to provide a neutral perspective and answer any questions. Professionals can offer valuable insights and help demystify the process. Avoid ultimatums. Approach the conversation with sensitivity and avoid making ultimatums. Ensure that your partner feels respected and that their feelings and opinions are valued. How should a prenup be written up? Creating a prenup involves several steps, and it's important to ensure it is legally binding and fair. Here is a detailed process to follow. Discuss and agree on terms. Both partners should have an open and honest discussion about their assets, debts, and expectations. Topics might include property ownership, division of future earnings, handling of debts, spousal support, and any specific considerations unique to the couple. Hire separate attorneys. Each partner should hire their own attorney to ensure that their interests are protected and to avoid any conflict of interest. This step is crucial to ensure that the prenup is fair and enforceable. Full disclosure. Both parties must fully disclose their assets and liabilities. Full transparency is essential. Failure to disclose all pertinent information can invalidate the agreement. This includes all financial holdings, real estate, investments, debts, and potential future inheritances. Draft the agreement. With the help of their attorneys, the couple can draft the agreement, ensuring that all agreed-upon terms are included. The draft should be clear, comprehensive, and tailored to the couple's specific needs and circumstances. Review and revise. Review the draft thoroughly and make any necessary revisions. Ensure that both parties understand and agree to the terms. It might be helpful to have multiple discussions and review sessions to cover all aspects adequately. Sign the agreement. Both partners must sign the prenup in the presence of a notary public to make it legally binding. This formalizes the agreement and ensures that it meets legal requirements. Consider periodic reviews. Couples might also consider periodic reviews of their prenup, especially if their financial situation changes significantly. Updating the prenup can ensure it remains relevant and fair over time. Common misconceptions about prenups. There are several misconceptions about prenuptial agreements that often deter couples from considering them. Prenups are only for the wealthy. While prenups are often associated with wealthy individuals, they can be beneficial for anyone with assets, debts, or specific financial plans. They provide clarity and protection regardless of the couple's financial status. Prenups predict divorce. Some people believe that having a prenup means planning for divorce. However, a prenup is simply a precautionary measure, similar to insurance. It's about being prepared for all possibilities and protecting both parties' interests. Prenups aren't fair. A well-drafted prenup aims to be fair to both parties. It should reflect the couple's mutual decisions and be created with legal guidance to ensure its fairness and enforceability. Prenups only protect one party. Prenups can and should be designed to protect both partners. They can outline mutual financial responsibilities and protections, ensuring both parties feel secure. In conclusion, a prenuptial agreement can be a practical and beneficial tool for couples looking to protect their assets and ensure financial clarity in their marriage. While bringing up the conversation and drafting the agreement may seem challenging, it can ultimately strengthen the relationship by promoting open communication and trust. If both partners approach the process thoughtfully and respectfully, a prenup can provide peace of mind and a clear financial framework for their future together. As with any legal agreement, it is essential to seek professional advice to ensure that the prenup is fair, comprehensive, and legally binding. Thanks for watching Motivate My Marriage. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.